Enjoy quieter cleaning thanks to the Inventor Epic Vacuum Cleaner. With a sound output of just 68 decibels, you can enjoy a quieter home whilst doing the housework. Plus, with its sound-absorbing design, you have the freedom to vacuum any time of day. It's really simple to use thanks to its ergonomic handle and integrated controls, so you can easily change the settings without having to bend down. Everything you select will be displayed on the super sleek-looking LED display. From power levels to cleaning settings for different floor types, you'll have instant feedback and perfect results. The HEPA filter on this model is a welcome addition for any allergy sufferers, as it traps in 99.9% of allergens, which means only fresh and filtered air is expelled back into the room. And to make cleaning even easier, this model comes with an extra long cable. It gives you a 12-meter cleaning radius, which means you don't have to keep stopping to unplug, and you can cover even more ground around your home. And to maximize cleaning performance, this model has several cleaning accessories, such as the crevice, dust and furniture nozzle, and a parquet brush for hard floors. Perfect for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and pet hair, and helps you with those hard-to-reach places. If you're looking for power and a quieter performance, the Inventor Epic Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect choice.